Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning your idea into precise language. Name the subject, choose a style, and set dimensions like 1080 x 1350. Explain mood and lighting so the generator knows intent. Once done, pick the tool, local model, or hosted API, and confirm available compute or token limits. Make sure you have any reference images ready and note which elements must match. This immediate clarity prevents wasted iterations and lets the system prioritize composition, color, and detail from the first pass. You now shape the actual prompt. Lead with the subject, then add environment, camera angle, and lens details, followed by style modifiers and quality tags like high detail or 8K. Explain why each modifier matters so the model emphasizes the right features. Once you have a candidate, test negative prompts to exclude artifacts, say no watermarks or no extra limbs. Then iterate by adjusting temperature, seed, and step counts while logging each change so you can reproduce the best result reliably. You finish by refining the chosen output. Apply upscaling for resolution, denoising for cleaner pixels, or inpainting to correct composition errors. Then export as a JPG at your preferred quality and inspect color profiles and histograms to ensure fidelity. If the image still misses the mark, simplify the prompt, reduce conflicting modifiers, or try a different model checkpoint. One key troubleshooting tip: when artifacts repeat, lower step counts and increase guidance scale slightly. This often stabilizes detail without introducing hallucinated elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.